How to post a horizontal video on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account on Instagram application. Now simply tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. As you do that, you can simply tap on the Reels section and you'll be able to see all the reels over here. So I have simply clicked a horizontal video over here. You can simply tap on the horizontal video as for now, and as you do that, you can simply now tap on next. And as you tap on next, you can make necessary edits over here and then simply add captions and so on. So here you can just add a location and do every other editing over here. So as you do that, you can simply tap on share and you can now post a horizontal video on Instagram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.